Hi everyone, JC from Itemcount. So this is how we control user access level in Itemcount. So for example, we have this main user and this little brother's account. So two separate accounts represented by different browsers. Once I click it in here, I can see all the access level. For example, I want to hide the expenses. I want to hide it. Auto refresh, and then no more expenses. I want to hide settings. For example, settings in general, want it to be hidden. Yeah, no more settings here. So that's how we can control as admin the viewing and editing access of a specific user. Thank you.